I found myself working in the car business for about 14 years, and I started doing meal prep for people in the office. So I was like, okay, I'll take about 10 clients a week. And then, when COVID happened, obviously people couldn't go out to eat. So I just saw it as the perfect opportunity for me to quit that job and pursue my passion for cooking. My name is Chef Rami, and I am the CEO, founder, chef of Rami Raw, which is a culinary food company. The way the society works right now, everybody's always on the go. And so the meal prep service offers people the opportunity to get chef-crafted, fresh, never frozen meals delivered to them. The private dining experience allows people the opportunity to host their friends and family, or even their company clients or employees. And so I consider what I do as bringing that restaurant experience to you at home. And the penthouse dining experience, I saw that as an opportunity to provide people a space where if they didn't want to host people in their home, or if they didn't want to go out to a restaurant, then they can utilize a space that has a great view and is very unique and different than taking your friends, family, or clients out to a restaurant. My experience with the local FedEx office has been great. I'm a bit of a procrastinator, so sometimes I have a 2-hour deadline, and they've been very accommodating. And then when it comes to whether it's branding, whether it's hoodies or stickers or banners, anything that I need to put my logo on, they all know my name when I walk in. It's great when you can go into a business and kind of develop the rapport relationship with everybody that works there. Really what it comes down to is just allowing me to produce everything that I'm producing and continue to grow the quantities and the quality. And as the business grows, there's going to be certain areas that are going to come up where I'm going to need, whether it's new welcome banners, to nameplates, to backdrops, menus, whatever the case may be. I know at least I have a partner in FedEx office that's going to help me get where I need to get.